I just want to show you guys some new designs we have, some new product elements that we have, and talk a little bit about kits. So I think I'll start with our new designs. We have these up right now on our website. These all use black chain. I'm really into this black chain right now. I think it's pretty cool. And then they use our designer elements. So this is an epoxy piece here, and this is actually a TerraCast piece there. We have this one here, another one using black chain with our designer elements. And the cool thing about all of these necklaces here is they don't need any clasps. They're all, this one can just dangle here and you can go around your neck, but this one, you can use this as your clasp. So the design components can just go through this little loop here. I don't know if you guys can see that well. And then it kind of just dangles and the gravity kind of just keeps it in place there. And the same thing with this one. So you don't need a clasp for these, they just kind of dangle through. You can loop them through. And they're all using this black chain, which I think is really unique. It kind of attracted me to it, and I think it's good for like kind of a wintry season look. And I want to show you guys all of these designer elements. You can use them together to kind of make a pendant or something like that. You don't have to mix them with other things, although they do go really well. But you can kind of just put them all together. And any of these necklaces, you can make them in gold as well. All of these pieces come in silver and in gold. You can also, I mean, if you're into a different color chain, you can mix the black chain with a gold chain. So I thought these were all pretty cool. These are all live on our website right now. So we have them up on our latest design page. So you can kind of use these same components and go by the exact step-by-step instructions, or you can pick out your own stuff. So this is one option. And then what goes really well with the designer elements is our new product here, are these acrylic pendants, which I'm super excited about. I think they're so pretty, really cool. They all have kind of like metallic-y elements to them. I think they're great for the holiday season. They all just look so festive and cool. Some of them have little holes drilled in the top there, which you could hang one of our designer elements or some beads, little seed beads, other things like that. These are my favorite here. They're kind of like a party. And we haven't named any of these yet, so if you guys have any name suggestions, that one's kind of like a tortoisey turquoise shell. If you have name suggestions, we'd love to hear about name suggestions because we haven't really put any on there yet. And there's different options. You can use a piece of leather and kind of use this as a necklace pendant there. Same thing with this one, and you can keep the hole and maybe put something through that hole. Kind of loop it around as a pendant. And then also, I was inspired to make earrings with these because I just felt like they needed to be earrings. And I used our designer components and our new posts with these. So there's kind of like a mermaid one. This is kind of like a bohemian look with that designer element pendant there. This one up top, I felt like that was kind of perfect for a holiday party. I actually have a friend that requests I make her that one already. So you see those are popular. And this one, I kind of felt like that was like a New Year's Eve party or something. So these make really good earrings. I'm actually gonna show you guys how quickly you can make an earring with these. We do have these are part of our earring post. I thought these were super unique, kind of different, flashy. And we can do that with, I'm gonna use this little tortoise looking one here. And then just a jump ring. So you just only need 3 things and you can make, these would be great to give as gifts. You could make a bunch of these at a time actually and give these to people in your office or family members. And it's something unique that like you've made. So they can't buy it in a store. And they don't take that long. Let me see if I can do this while I'm being recorded. Can you see that? All right. And then look at that, you just made an earring. And that's kind of like a cool dangly like a party almost. So you can make earrings with these, but they could also be necklace pendants, like I said. And they're all like these really cool, look at that one's like a rainbow. They all have kind of like metallic-y elements on them. And these are all live on the website now, we just added them. With the earrings, we'll add all of the different components you need to make these. I think we just have pictures up right now, but we'll let you know exactly what we use. But those you can pick out different posts, you can mix and match them. These are really easy just to like put a quick design together, and I think they make really good gifts, and the holiday season is coming up. So I think any of these things here could be a quick, easy gift to make people. You can make everyone in your office some earrings, different items like that. And then since we're talking about holiday season and gifts, I thought we'd talk about our kits here. We have some different TerraCast kits. And all of the TerraCast things, these kits are really cool because they come with all of the components you need and the instructions in there. And then the cool thing is that we sell all of these different components. So if you wanted to make or recreate one of these using different colors, like this one comes with silver, but if you wanted to use gold components, we could just put those together. We could always help you pick out exactly what's in the kit. I don't even know if you noticed, but this is the same component that we used on our design element necklace over here. So you see it comes in gold. And how versatile those are. So the TerraCast kits make really good. You can make them yourself, or you can just give this whole kit as a gift. We also have our aromatherapy lava stone bracelet kits over here. These are really cool because everything you need, again, comes in a little bag with the right components cut to the appropriate lengths, and then it comes with a little instruction guide and a photo. And then also, these are cool because they come with different oils here. Like this one is the Sea Queen Zodiac Cancer Oil. They all smell really good. So you could pick out your favorite bracelet and then just slip in your favorite oil there. And then that makes a really cool gift. I mean, someone can make this themselves, or you can put the bracelet together and then give them that with the oil inside of there. So those are a really cool option. The other one we have is some other kit ideas. These are a little more advanced, but still fairly easy when you get the instruction guide. Everything you'll need will come in the bag here with the appropriate lengths cut and sizes, and then an instruction guide. So this one's a really pretty, easy one. It's a little bit more advanced. I mean, you have to use glue. That can be intimidating. So you can just follow the instruction guide and make something exactly like this, or we can mix and match. So I think that is what we had to show you guys today. So again, let us know what you think about our new acrylic pendants and name ideas, because we're kind of interested to see what you guys think about that. And check out our designs with our new designer elements.